Hello students, good evening. Myself Ramesh Pawar. Students, in the last class we have discussed the topics that is mangroves. In today's class, let us begin with the next topic is biomes. So students, what is this biomes? A biome is a region of earth where the climate determines the types of plants that live there. Students, what is this biome? A biome is a region of earth where the climate determines the types of plants that live there. Here the climate is the main abiotic factor that characterizes a biome. Okay, students, here climate is the main abiotic factor that characterizes a biome. And here abiotic factors affect which organisms can live in a biome. Here the plants and animals that live in a biome have adaptations to its unique conditions. Okay, students? Yes, that is the next is types of biomes. In that, first one is Tundra Biomes. Students, so what is this Tundra Biomes? By looking this picture, you can observe the Tundra Biomes. Okay, so here the Tundra is found in the Arctic and in high mountains. Okay, students, here the Tundra is found in the Arctic and in high mountains. And here the ground contains permafrost and the biome has low temperatures and very little precipitation. Okay, students? And here the plants have shallow roots and the animals migrate or grow thick fur. Okay, students? So this is about your tundra biomes. The next is taiga biomes. The taiga biomes is also known as boreal forest. Here the taiga is found in Canada, Northern Europe and Asia. So here temperatures stay low, but there is more precipitation than the tundra. Students, here the temperatures stay low, but there is more precipitation than the tundra. Okay, yes, and here taiga trees are coniferous. Okay, here the taiga trees are coniferous. So they here that is known as what? Evergreens. And animals migrate here. And that is here the animals migrate and hibernate or go through fur changes each season. Okay, so here also called as boreal forest. Okay, students. So this is about what? Taiga biome. So next kind of biome is desert biomes. Students, here so what is the desert biomes? Here the desert biomes are very dry and the soil is either rocky or sandy. Students, here the desert biomes are very dry and the soil is either rocky or sandy. Many are hot during the day and cold at night. So okay students, here many are hot during the day and cold at night. So here both the plants and animals are adapted to extreme temperatures and can conserve water. Okay students, by looking this picture, you can observe how the extreme temperatures is related and how it is here how both the plants and animals are adapted to their extreme temperatures and then how they can conserve water. Okay, yes students. So next type of biome is grassland. Students, by looking this picture, here you can observe. So here some of the elephants, okay, here they are in the grasslands, okay, grasslands biomes. So here the grassland biomes is defined as what is the grassland biomes? So here that are all the land that is covered with grasses, okay. So here the grasslands have many types of grass but few trees. Tropical grasslands have high temperatures. Students, here the tropical grasslands have high temperatures and wet and dry seasons. Temperate grasslands have lower temperatures. Okay, students. Here, the tropical grasslands have the higher temperatures compared to your temperate grasslands. But here, the temperate grasslands have what? Lower temperatures. Okay, students. And here, soils are usually thin. Okay, students. Here, the soils are usually thin. So here, these are grazing animals that are eaten by predators. Okay students, this is about your grassland biomes. The next type of biome is deciduous forest or deciduous biomes. Students, by looking this picture, you can observe the deciduous forest here. Okay, what is the deciduous forest? They have the moderate precipitation. Here the deciduous forests have moderate precipitation and hot summers and cold winters. Students, here the trees shed their leaves and go dormant in the winter. So, here some animals hibernate and some of the birds migrate out into winter and others stay year round. Okay, students. So, this is about what about your deciduous forest. The next kind of biome is rainforest biome. Students, here in case of the rainforest, the temperate rainforests have a long, cool rainy season and a dry summer. Many of the trees are evergreens and there is a lot of moss. Okay, students, here many of the trees are evergreens and there is a lot of moss. That animals include owl, shrew, elk, and cougars. Okay, students. And here the tropical rainforests are located near the equator. Students, here the tropical rainforests are located near the equator. Okay, and here they receive large amounts of rainfall and stay hot year round. Here they receive large amounts of rainfalls and stay hot year round. Here each layer of the canopy supports different species. Yes, students, here each layer of the canopy supports different species. Okay, students, this is about your rainforest biomes. The next kind of biome is freshwater biomes. What is this freshwater biome, students? Here the freshwater is free of or has very little salt. Okay, students, here where you can see the more amount of salt in case of marine. Okay, but in case of freshwater you see the very little amount of salt. Okay, students, so here this biome can exist in most places on earth. Okay, students, and the climate and rainfall depends on your location. Okay, here the climate and rainfall depends on their location. And here plants and animals live on the edges or in the water. Students, here the plants and animals live on the edges or in the water. Okay, students, and here the types of plants and animals also depends on location. Students, here the types of plants and animals also depends on their location. Okay, students, this is about your freshwater biomes. Students, by looking this picture, you can observe some of the freshwater species. Okay, students, this is about your freshwater biomes. The last type of biome is that is marine biomes. Okay, students, what is this marine biomes? Students, here the marine biomes are salt water. Okay, students, here the marine biomes are salt water. There are many zones based on water depth and how much light can enter. Students, here there are many zones, okay, based on water depth and how much light can enter. By looking this picture, you can see, okay, how the water here, how the zones are there based on the water depth and how much light can enter under the water biomes, okay. And here the plants and animals are different in each of these zones. Okay, students, here the plants and animals are different in each of these zones. Students, and also here the coral reefs, you can see the coral reefs. Okay, here the coral reefs and kelp beds survive in shallower water. Students, here the coral reefs and kelp beds survive in shallower water. Okay, students, and here the majority of sea life is found in the open ocean. Students, here the majority of sea life is found in the open ocean. Okay, students, and here deep ocean organisms can usually produce their own light. Okay, students, in case of your marine biomes, here the deep ocean organisms can usually produce their own light. Okay, students, this is about your marine biomes. Okay, students. Thank you.